Okay, you're welcome. Let's go straight into the training. Number one thing you need to do is to download Chrome application. Can you see? Download that. So after downloading, go to 1688.com on your Chrome. Go to 1688.com. Now we are on the 1688.com site. This website is very large. You have different products you can buy from. Okay, let's go ahead. Can you see these three icons right here? So you click on it. Can you see these settings? Okay, click on settings. Okay, so come down to languages. Can you see languages? Okay, that's the first thing you should do. Now we want to on the, so that when we come to 1680.com, the page can translate to English for us. You can see the pages in Chinese, so that you can have it in English. You come here, you add language. Can you see add language? Okay, Chinese, English. So you on this blue. Can you see? Make sure this is on. Make sure this is on. So right now, the next thing is that I want to show you how to check for products. You can use two methods. The first is to use the search engine. The second method is you scroll down to this PC version. Can you see? So you scroll on this PC version. Click on this PC version for us to buy, to see how to search with it. You click on the PC version. Okay, it's loading. The page is loading. Okay, now can you see the camera icon? That means it has finished loading. So you wait for it to finish loading. Can you see this camera version? You are going to click on it. So right here, you can select any image you want from your browser. So you search with that image. Let me select this that I have here. So it's loading. Okay, can you see? It says, sorry, the corresponding picture was not found. Please upload a clear product image. Now let's go and use for another picture. If the picture is not bold enough, there's every possibility that it won't bring out the results. So let's start with another picture right now. Okay, now I have selected another picture. Okay, this is something that you can use to pass out urine in the car in case of emergency, and also for you to see that there are different kind of things you can import. Does not have to be shoe bags. Well, depending on your preferences and depending on what we sell in your area, you know, it's better you do a market survey so you know what the people in your environment are willing to buy. So now, can you just see how I have searched with the picture? So in case you're trying to do that and it's not bringing out the results, try refreshing the page. It's very important. Just refresh the page. Refresh the page over and over. Okay, so this is it. All right. Now let's go back to the second method that we use. Also, do you notice that the site is trying to what's it called, to translate? Okay, can you see? Let me show you. Can you see that it's trying to translate to English because we already set it? So if the network is good, it will translate, but if the network is not too good, it might not translate. I think now it's in English already. Can you see? All sales, Japanese, cute, plush, sorted. Okay, so that is that about the picture search. So let's go back to the other search. Okay, right now we are on the site. I have refreshed the page. This is the search engine once again right here, but I want to suggest that before you type into this place, try and get the Chinese name of the product you want to search for. For instance, let's search for nose mask, for example. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to Google Translate. Okay, Google Translate. Okay, because there are some products you want to search for. If you type it in English, you will not get the results. Though nose mask is kind of common, but let me teach you this method so that you will always know how to, get the Chinese name. So you go to Google Translate, you make sure the page is on English to Chinese. You set it, you set the language. Okay, so you enter. Let me enter nose mask, nose mask. So when you have that, can you see so you copy the results right here. Can you see copy? Okay, copy that. It's copied already. So you go back to 1688.com, go back to 1688.com, and then you input what your results into the search engine. Oh, I'll need to go back, sorry. So now I have pasted the Chinese name. Okay, it's loading. Okay, can you see it's giving me the same result? It's giving me nose mask, different nose mask. So that is how to search with letter, with name. Can you see that? Okay, let's click on this. So you can get different kind of nose mask here, medical, non-medical. You can get, in pack, in different sizes, different that you want. So this is 0.15. That means it's not even up to 1 yuan. 1 yuan presently is around 700. Sorry, it's around 77 naira, because it's really fluctuated these days. Okay, so you can just times that. So I'm going to be showing you like 4 things in this page that we have now. Number 1 thing is how you can copy your link. This is where to go when you want to copy your link. Can you see this? This is our search engine. Can you see this? Okay, so let's copy our link. You select all. Make sure you select all. You just click, you click on the something and then select all, copy. Sorry, let me do it again. Copy. Okay, so after copying the link like that, save it to your WhatsApp or your notebook on your phone. Can you see how I pasted? You paste the link. Some people, when they copy link, they don't copy it completely. They copy it halfway. When you do that, there's no way you can use this link to link Google Chrome. Now, for you to be sure you copy the link, well, click on it. It should take you back to the products. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, that means we copy the link completely. So now the next thing is for you to check the price. This is the price. This is where you see the price. And then another thing is for you, number 3 thing you'll be learning here is to see the quantity you can order, the minimum order quantity, what we call MOQ. So right here you can see 100, right? That means from this particular site, the least you can buy is 100 pieces. The least you can buy is 100 pieces from this site. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be doing is, for us to search maybe the color or whatever. So you come down here for you to check the specification, and this applies to every product, maybe shoe, maybe bag, or whatever you're buying. So you come to this orange box right here. Sorry. Now I am on a shoe page. Let me show you how it is with shoes. So you click orange again. So you can see size 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So those are the shoes sizes available. Not now. Please. So now, for you to, let's say you want to increase the okay, when you scroll here to, you get to see the different colors. I hope you can see that. Okay, so that is that about that. Okay, yeah, thank you. So we'll go to the next thing now. Okay, guys. I actually made an omission the other time. I want us to check out something again. When you search with picture, you have a result like this, right? Okay. So I want you to pay attention to the prices. You can see we have 13 yuan here, 46.20 yuan here, 28 yuan here. So there are different prices. So you want to really pay attention, not to go and click on a product that is very expensive. And trust me, they are the same thing, same quality most of the time. So you want to check on, okay, what are the price difference? So you go for one that is kind of lower. So let's click on this 26 for example. Oh, it has brought me to the app. Okay, so now this is 26. If you are buying two quantity, it's 26. So when you are buying more than 10 to 39 pieces, let me show you. When you're buying 10 to 39 pieces, this shoe will be 25 yuan. When you're buying 24 pieces or more than 40 pieces now, it will be 24. So the more you buy, the lesser the price. That is one of the good thing about buying from China. You know, the more you buy, the lesser the price. So now, when you know the sizes of the shoes available, you write it under your link. Okay, let's say for instance, you go back to where you save your link the other time. So right now, you will copy the link, you paste the link, write the specification, size 38, 5 pairs, color. Maybe there is color, you write, okay, silver. This is how to specify, and then you send it. So this is anybody you send this to that you want to buy from China, they will understand. But please use me. Oh, I'm into procurement. I help you buy from China as well. Okay, of course there'll be an advanced class if you want to learn how to use the 1688 to buy directly. But if you're buying for the first time, you can still make use of an agent. You can ask me for more details. So that is that about, about that. So let me do a quick recap of what we have learned. We've learned how to use the Google Translate. Okay, we've also learned how to change the language from Chinese to English. We've learned how to use the search engine. We have learned how to copy the link. We have also learned how to search with picture. We have learned also how to check the specification of the products. Okay, let me know if you have any other question. Please feel free to ask me. And please share my video, support my channel, share my video with friends, share it on your WhatsApp, share it on your Facebook. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate you. Goodbye.